Let us understand how to detect the duplicates elements in a list. See, just don't simply by heart this code, okay? Just understand the working flow of it. See here, a equal to 1 comma 4 comma 3, 1 comma 4 comma 3. See here we are using the two sets here. One is seen to stores the already visited elements. Another one is duplicate to stores the repeated elements. See here we have a small logic here. We will check the each element. If the element is already in the scene, it is added to the duplicates. If it is not, it is stores in the scene. Okay. Now we will go to the each and every iteration here. See, I will explain it in the very simple way. Iteration 1, I equal to 1 here. Is 1 in scene? No. So 1 is added to the scene here. Now, what is the next iteration? I equal to 4. Is 4 in scene? No. So 4 is added to the scene here. See here. Is 3 in scene? No. So 3 is added to the scene. See, just focus here, okay? Focus to the next iteration, okay? What is the next iteration here? Yes, I equal to 1. Is I in scene? One check here. Yes, here already in scene there is 1. So 1 is added to the duplicates. See here, what is the next iteration? I equal to 4. Is 4 in C? One check here. Yes, it is already. So 4 is added to the duplicates. What is the next iteration? I equal to 3. See here, 3 is already exist in C. So 3 is added to the duplicates. So here the final output is 1 comma 4 comma 3. I hope you understand.